Here's how to use Tap to Cash in iOS 18. Now, if you have an iPhone and you upgraded to iOS 18, a cool feature is that essentially you can just tap your phone to someone else's phone and send or receive cash. I'll walk you through the entire process, but first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, you're going to open up the Wallet app on your iPhone, and on here, you'll be able to see maybe some cards that you've added on there, and you can see Apple Cash. Tap on it. You might need to set this up if you've never used Apple Cash. Basically, just tap the setup button and it'll go through the entire process. And then you can hit send a request. And now you'll see Tap to Cash as an option. One option is you can text someone, but you can also tap this Tap to Cash. So let's say I'm going to send $10 for pizza. I can hit next here. And now it will pop up same as any other Apple Pay. You can basically tap on the side button twice to confirm. And now the cool thing is it will pop up with ready to send. Hold the top of your phone near another iPhone or an Apple Watch. Essentially, you're just going to hold them together like this, and it will send $10 from my phone over to the other phone. It's that easy. Basically, you're sending that money, and you can see all of those little dots are swiping away from my phone, indicating that I am sending or sending away that $10. And then once you send that over, it'll just pop up in your little balance right there. You'll be able to spend that. You can spend it on anything that you use Apple Pay on. Or of course, if you wanted to, you can transfer it to other cards or other accounts. I hope this helped. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.